Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are covering the short vowel E sound, which is E, and the next family that we have today is Et family. E produced by E and T produced by alphabet T. Et family. The first word we have in Et family is bet. B sound produced by alphabet B, E sound produced by E, and T sound produced by alphabet T. Now if I write this, you know what it is. This is bat and this is bet. Bet. So difference again between bat and bet is short vowel A sound and short vowel E sound. Go get me water. Get. G sound produced by G, E sound produced by E, and T sound produced by alphabet T. Let. Let me go. L sound produced by L, E sound produced by E, and T sound produced by alphabet T. We have many more words in Et family. I think you can do 3 to 4 of them easily all by yourself. We'll move on to a confusing one. So we have 2 words in Et family which have the same sound, wet and wet. So this wet is when you want to refer it to the animal's doctor, and this wet is when your clothes or something get drenched by a liquid. So when you get soaked up in rains, you say my clothes are wet, W-E-T. But when you want to say you want to take your pet to a doctor, that is a vet. Animal's doctor is called a vet. Sight words. So in the last lesson, as you remember, we were discussing about WH. WH makes 2 sound. It is W sound, and WH also makes H sound. So we discussed how WH do not produce H sound when used with other alphabets, but WH produces sound of H when used with O. So whenever WH is followed by O, it doesn't produce a sound of W. It produces only the sound of H. So this becomes who. Who are you? Who. Again, WH is followed by O. So no sound of W, and it's going to be whose. Whose house is it? Whose. Again, WH is followed by O, so no sound of W. We have only the sound of H, which is her sound, whom. Whom. So we have who, whose, and whom. We have more words where we have WH and then followed by O, but we're not covering all of them here. But this is kind of, if you notice, like a whole, although we're not covering it here. Why? Because this will be covered in the long vowel sound of O. But whenever you notice O, just remember it is H sound, not like this. Remember these that we covered in the last one? So no H sound. Any alphabet followed by WH has that sound, but when WH is followed by O, it only produces the H sound. I hope it's clear. Take your time, pause, go back, go through this part again. You will understand. So, sentences. My sight word pet, followed by S makes a sound of pets, pets, pets. My pets, sight word again, are. My pets are in, sight word again, the pen, pen. My pets are in the pen. Oh no, this pen means a space, a small space where you keep your farm animals. So my pets are in the pen. Pen has many meanings. One of them is a space where you keep your animals. So my pets are in the pen, done. Then let's do who are you? Sounds like a question. It will end in a question mark. Always starting with a capital. Who, no sound of W because WH is followed by O. Who, sight word are, and then you, sight word again. Who are you? I hope you liked today's lesson, and we'll move on with our short vowel sound of next vowel. I'm pretty excited. Are you? So, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.